All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in lesson 5. Coming up on the midway point, a minute in, minutes still to go. Looks like we're down to just one cutting grass out there. Mac FPV. One more to go for Mac. 30 seconds on that clock, and oh no, he's in the net. That's it. No, let's retrieve some quads. We'll blank that one. Oh, wait, we're back up. Are we back up with 8? We're back up with 8 somehow, guys. I don't know what happened. Course is hot. Now we're down. No idea. All right. Disarm your quads. Let's retrieve. I don't know what happened there.